guys, this is just like out of excitement. Like, I am so happy. I am so happy for my ring light. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious Sucks. How you guys doing? It has been like forever. I know. I've been busy. Let's just leave the excuses. I'm here, right? You can see my fine face. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this lightning. You know, for someone that does like videos or even without that, you want to stay in a lovely place, obviously good lighting. Nobody wants to stay in a place like that. Nobody wants to do a video that is of low quality. Actually, I've just been thinking, I've been worried, I'm like, oh, I've been saying, God, how am I going to do this? How am I going to like save up money to buy a proper ring light that I'll be able to be using for my videos? But then I went on YouTube and I checked like DIY lightning for like YouTube videos and all, and I didn't see something that was, the one I saw was like, it wasn't really interesting. I was just using just a bulb to construct. I was like, that construction is too long or it's too much. So I was still planning on that actually. Then one day all of a sudden I just went on YouTube. I don't know why I didn't see it before, but then I now saw this new way of constructing and making it better lightning, and guys, your girl did it, man. How will I do this kind of thing and I cannot share it now? It's not good now. I know that actually people are struggling with lighting, because if it's for the ring light for mostly YouTube videos, it's like a big challenge. I know it's like a big challenge, but I know there are cheaper ways to get it. But probably some people do not know about it yet. So I am bringing this to your screen right now. Ma? No. Yes. Yes. So I'm going to show you guys how I did this lightning, and to get a clearer video. So guys, if you are a subscriber to my channel, guys, I love you guys. Thank you for not unsubscribing. Thank you. Then for me, if you're watching this video and not subscribe, it's one small thing that will just take you. You just press on that red button there, and you know press on that thing that looks like bell by the side. That's it now. So anytime I post video, you'll be seeing too, and it will be also be helping me. Yes. By the way, guys, just click on that button, I beg. And subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share, repost, comment. So let's go to the other scene. And guys, please. But Jesus, pray for your girl. I need to start coming up with content to show you guys. Just pray for me that this content will just be running into my head and me being able to capture. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. Thank you.